Hello, you're watching Age of Mobiles, and today I want to show the difference between Nokia 7260 keypad, between the original and high copy one. So the original, the genuine one, is on the left. So you see it's with white color, this is with the black color. So just pay attention at the letters, pay attention at the numbers, at the font. So you see that as almost always on these copies, font varies. Some color sees as TUV here, with the side, for example, of PQRS, and here all seems same. So now let's turn them. So you see on the original, on Genius original Nokia, you see also these contacts. They are made from the other material, and how the key is done. See, there are three different stuff that you see. And now let's check it on this one. See, nothing is written, but to be honest, if you use this phone, this keypad, you can use for much more than time, for longer time, not at the genuine one. So always pay attention. Welcome to Age of Mobiles.